Hi, just wanted to give a quick review on the Alpha 1 speaker upgrade to my 2016 X3. Installation took about 3.5 to 4 hours. The results are pretty amazing. I had the Harman Kardon system, and the sound is 10 times better than what it was before. So super happy with the purchase, and just wanted to pass that along. I took a long look at a couple different options, including another provider, and this turned out to be what I went with, and I'm super happy with the purchase. So good luck if you're doing the project. It's you know, the toolkit they have is probably worth buying as well. That's it. Thanks.